Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the second part of this tutorial. So please kindly go back and watch the first part of this tutorial. Please go back and watch the first part of this tutorial. This is the second part, and the first part, it is well detailed, and this second part as well, it is well detailed. So please make sure you watch from beginning to the end for better understanding. So if you have any questions, please always you can drop your questions under the comment section. And if you like this video, if the video is interesting, please kindly give us a beautiful like and a very nice comment. Thank you so much. I love you all, and God bless you. Guys, for my next video, this is a design I am actually making. So this bag here is made by me. Watch out for my next video. Guys, this is a velvet material. It is a stock velvet material, so I'll be making use of this for the interior of my bag. So actually guys, I'm just going to cut out the front, the back, and also the bottom out of it. That's for the interior of my bag, and I'll be making use of inner zip with inner lining. So I'm just going to mark the middle of my velvet. So I'm just going to sketch out I'm going to be sketching out a pattern actually. So this is like 2 inches length for the measurement, and I'll be making use of a leather board named chiboard. So I'll be cutting out a pattern. I'm going to actually got me to the back of this my interior lining bag actually. So please just watch this aspect carefully. So I'm just going to apply gum and allow it to dry. Trust me, I have to also mark the middle of my leather board so it can be centralized. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of gum to the leather board, and also a little bit of gum to the interior, and then gum. So I'm just going to mark it just like this, the way I'm doing it right now, and mark the middle as well, and just use my eraser blade to split it into 2. After that, I'm going to apply gum to it and just glue the fabric to my leather board. And after putting the fabric to the leather board, I'm going to glue my zip. So for the zip, I am making use of a caterpillar zip. You can get it anywhere, very affordable. So I'm actually just going to use my caterpillar zip for the inner interior, the inner pocket of my bag, and I'll be making use of a normal lining, like a shiny face lining for my zip pocket. Here I'll be making use of my flatbed machine to stitch the pocket aspect. So guys, please watch carefully, make sure you watch from beginning to the end, and also please, if you like this tutorial, give us a beautiful like and a nice comment. Guys, I'm through stitching the pocket aspect, so I'm just going to glue my my interior to the flap of the bag. So that is the flap of the bag, the inner flap of the bag. So I'm just going to stitch the both together. The next thing now is to actually glue the inner flap and the outer flap together. So I'm just going to be gluing, the bags together. So after you apply your gum, guys, please, like I always say in my video, please always make sure your gum is dry. I mean, make it dry before you glue them together so it doesn't, mess up the job. So you just have to let it dry a little bit and then glue everything together. So please, guys, make sure you watch this aspect carefully. This is the part where you need to be careful because you don't want your job to look you want a very clean and a beautiful job. So you have to be very, very careful in this aspect. Guys, for the back and the front of the bag, I'm going to glue a leather board named chiboard. So I'm just going to glue it straight like that. So I'm going to glue it to the front and the back only. I'm not going to be gluing it to the bottom of the bag. I want the bag to look very strong and I want it to look, very beautiful. I want it to have this solid look, this kind of solid big bag, this. I hope you understand. So I need to, just put the right materials. So guys, I'm through, putting the leather board. So now I'm just going to glue the fabric to to the bag. So I'm just going to glue the velvet to the back, to the bottom, and to the front of my bag. So please, guys, make sure you watch this tutorial to the end, and please go and watch my other videos. You guys will learn a lot from it. So please, if you've not watched any of my videos before, please go and watch. Don't miss out. Go and watch my videos to have knowledge about how to make bags. So right now I'm making use of flatbed machine to stitch the front part of the bag and also the flap and the upper base. I'm using a flatbed machine because I want my stitches to be very, very nice. I don't want a rough job. I want it to be very straight and very neat. So that is why I'm using my flatbed machine. So now I'm through stitching the flap and also the front part. So right now this is the gusset aspect. I'm making use of my velvet material for the gusset aspect. So I'm just going to fold the tip inside, but mind you, I'm not going to be folding the two side and the bottom of the velvet inside. I'm going to trim it inside very well so it doesn't stick out. So guys, please watch this aspect carefully. So I'm just going to use my flatbed machine to stitch the top of my gusset. Guys, this is the aspect where I'm going to put the magnets to the front of the bag. So you just have to be careful in this aspect. You don't want to punch the wrong parts. So I'm just going to use my puncher to punch to make a hole to this to the front part of the bag. So after punching it, I'm going to put my magnets and also the magnet holder to the back. Guys, I'm almost through with the bag. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. Like, it's really, really looking nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to apply gum to the bag, and glue the gusset to the bag. So guys, please watch this aspect carefully. You can just take your time to watch this aspect. It's really, really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, it's really, really fun watching this tutorial right now. I know, right? So the next thing to do is to cut out the handle of the bag and stitch. So for the handle of the bag, I make use of 2.5 inches. So I folded it into two places, like the way you're seeing it right now. So after folding it, then I had to fold it again to stitch. I mean, I fold to gum, then I'm just folding this, to stitch. So please guys, watch this aspect carefully, really nice as well. So after the handle, then I'll be making use of my cylinder bed machine to actually stitch the gusset of the bag together. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you know you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a nice comment, share my videos, and also give me a beautiful like. Thank you so much guys. I love you all, and God bless you.